Hello everyone, glad to have you back on my channel. So in this video, we will break down the STAR method, a powerful tool to answer behavioral interview questions clearly and effectively. So let's get started. Behavioral questions in interviews often include scenarios like tell me about a time when you faced a challenge at work. Describe a situation where you worked in a team to solve a problem. The STAR method is perfect for structuring your answers to these types of questions. STAR stands for situation, task, action, and result. Now let's explore how you can use a STAR method to answer these types of questions in software engineer or lead engineer interview. So step number one is situation. The situation sets the stage for your story. You need to briefly describe the background, giving enough context for the interviewer to understand the challenge you faced. For instance, my previous role as a lead software engineer, our team was working on a large-scale e-commerce platform. Just before the big product launch, we discovered a major performance bottleneck in the payment processing system that could cause delays for thousands of users. Here, you are clearly explaining the setting a high-stakes situation just before a product launch, which gives context to the problem. Step number two is task. The task focuses on what you were responsible for in that situation. What was your role and what goals were you trying to achieve? For instance, as a lead engineer, my task was to identify the root cause of the performance issue, ensure the system was optimized, and guarantee that the product launch would proceed as scheduled without any delays. This step outlines your specific responsibility, which is important for showcasing your role in the project. Step number three is action. The action where you describe the steps you took to resolve the problem. Focus on what you specifically did and highlight your problem solving skill. For example, I gathered a small team of developers to conduct an in-depth code review and performance profiling. After analyzing the system, we identified that inefficient database queries were causing the delays. I worked closely with the database team to optimize those queries and implemented caching mechanisms to reduce load times. I also coordinated with QA team to run tests, ensuring that the fix wouldn't affect other parts of the system. In this part, you are showing technical expertise, leaderships, and collaboration with others teams to solve the problem. Step number 4 is result. The result highlights the impact of your actions. Be sure to focus on positive outcomes, ideally with measurable results. If possible, mention numbers or percentages to quantify your success. For example, as a result, the payment processing system's performance improved by 50%, and we were able to handle twice as many transactions per second. The product launch went smoothly without any delays, and the client was thrilled with the system's reliability. This success also led to a 20% increase in user retention as customers experienced faster and smoother transactions. The result shows how your action contributed to the success of the project and improved the product. Let's talk about the challenges and how to overcome them while using STAR method. Here are some common challenges you might face and tips to overcome them. First, being too vague. So it's easy to give a vague response like I fixed the issue. But you need to explain how you solved the problem, how to overcome it. Be specific about your actions and decisions. For example, instead of just saying I fixed the issue, you should explain how you identify the bottleneck and what technical steps you took to resolve that problem. Next, over-explaining. Another common problem is over-explaining technical details. It is important to keep your answer concise and avoid losing your audience in jargons. How to overcome it? Stick to the key points, focus on the problem, what you did, and the outcome. If necessary, briefly mention technical terms but always relate them to the impact they had on the problem or the project. The final challenge, not showcasing leadership as a lead engineer. It's essential to highlight only your technical skills but also leadership and teamwork abilities. Sometimes, candidates forget to explain how they led a team or communicated with other departments. How to overcome it? Always mention how you coordinated with others, delegated tasks, and guided the team through the solution. Quick start example for a software engineer role. Let's quickly summarize a complete star response. Suppose if the interviewer asks, tell me about a time you worked on challenging project. The situation would be, in my previous company, we were building a new feature of mobile application. Just before product launch, we found a significant bug in the payment system that could potentially impact users' ability to make transactions. And the task would be, as the lead developer, my task was to fix the bug quickly while making sure the new features was still on track for the release date. Action: I worked with a team to identify bug in the code and traced it to a compatibility issue between app and the payment gateway. I collaborated with the payment team to patch the issue, and we run thorough testing to ensure stability. Result: the bug was fixed within 48 hours and the feature was launched as scheduled. As a result, there was no impact on user transactions and the app's download rate increased by 30% due to the new feature's success. Let's come to the conclusion part. The STAR method is a powerful tool for answering behavioral interview questions. By breaking your answer into situation, task, action, and result, you can clearly showcase your problem-solving skills, technical abilities, and leadership, all of which are crucial for a software engineer and lead engineer role. Remember, stay specific, concise, and always highlight the positive results of your actions. By following the STAR method, you will leave a lasting impression in your interview. So good luck, and if you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share with someone who might need it, and also subscribe my channel for more content. Until the next time, stay tuned, stay happy. See you in the next video. Bye.